I quit YouTube for 3 months to focus on one of my offline business, which made me over 1 million naira in the space of this very short time. And this was a business I totally abandoned for a very long period of time. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing everything I know concerning this business, how you can make at least 50,000 naira weekly from this very business, even with this very offline skills, right? Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing everything with you in this very video on how you can acquire these very skills, how you can master these skills within 6 months, and how you can make at least 50,000 naira every week from this very single offline skills, right? Now, this business is applicable to you if you are living in any part of the world, right? If you are living in Africa, even outside Africa, this is applicable to you. And you can learn and master this business even if you are a complete beginner, an intermediate, or you are someone who is just looking for ways to make money online, right? So if you are someone who is looking for ways to start making money online, you are a student, you are a stay-at-home mom, or you are looking for a side income that you can start making at least 50k every single week, now this is a perfect video for you. Now, what is this business all about? Now, this is just you fixing and repairing other people's damaged phone. Now, this is a business everyone looks down on, and this is a very common business we do see, right? Now, people are really making money from this business if you don't know. Now, this is what I have done, and I've made money from it multiple times, and I'm here to share with you my own knowledge about this business, and if it's something you can start right now and you can start making money from, right? So with that said, I'm going to be sharing some key points to you that will help you in this journey, right? Now, after watching this video, you will have all the information you need to get started with this very business and start getting it rolling. So I'm going to be sharing with you 6 helpful tips that will help you in this very journey and aid you to start making at least 50k every single week doing these very offline skills. With that said, we'll be jumping into the first key point right now. Number 1 key point is to research about the market. Now, you don't want to start a business without knowing the market analysis, right? Now, before you can start any business, now it's very important that you know the statistics of the market, you know the market research, and you know if this business is lucrative in your location, right? Now, there are other countries that this business is not lucrative, and there are some countries that this business is very lucrative, unlike my locations. Now, before you can start this business, you can bring out a pen and paper, write down the things you need, the tools you need, all the research you need on how you can get started with this business. Now, number 2 points or number 2 key points you need is to acquire the skills, right? Now, there are 2 ways on this. Now, if you are a complete beginner who doesn't know nothing about this business, now you don't want to just go and start learning these skills online, right? Now, there are tons of video on YouTube you can get this information from, right? But if you are someone who knows nothing about the business, what I advise you to do is that you can easily acquire these skills offline by being an apprentice and learning these skills offline, right? But if you are someone who is intermediate, right, you already have ideas about this business, you're already good at phone repairs, right? You already know your way around repairing phones and fixing phones already, but you just need to brush up and have more ideas on how you can get started, right? Now, you can get online courses that will teach you this, right? And by the end of this video, I'm going to be recommending one of the best courses to you that will easily teach you, take you from intermediate to an expert in these very skills, right? I have a very good friend of mine who have a very detailed course that will teach you almost everything you need that can make you perfect in phone repairs, right? But if you are someone who knows nothing about this business, you are a student, you are trying to get to school, you want to acquire something that you can fetch money from, even when you are in school, you are someone who have nothing at all. Now, what I will advise that you can easily acquire these skills offline. There are good phone repairers out there. You can easily meet and you can fix classes with them, or you can easily apply for apprenticeship within your country, your state, your location, and your city, right? So I'm going to be recommending some free resources you need on how you can get started with this business. Even if you're a beginner, you're intermediate, I'll be dropping all the resources, all the links. I'll be dropping them in the description, also in the comment section, right? So guys, now before I move into the next point right now, if you want me to create a more detailed videos about this very point on how you can acquire the skills, on how you can go about and learn the skills, make sure to let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to create a separate dedicated video on how you can acquire and learn the skills, even if you are a complete beginner or you are an intermediate, right? So with that said, let's jump into the next point right now. Now, the next thing is getting the necessary tools. Now, let's assume you are done with your market research, you are done acquiring these skills, or you are still acquiring these skills, right? Now, the next thing is you'll get all the tools you need to get started with this business, right? Now, these are the tools which phone repairers use to fix their phones, right? We have Alec keys, we have soldering iron. This is what you need to solder and to just fix up whatever thing that is damaged on the phone. You have the hair gun, which is the rework station. We have the multimeter, which is used to read any fault in any device's motherboard, right? Now we have the gum, we have your laptop, your system. These are used to flash and unlock devices, right? There are other tools you need, of which I'm not mentioning in this video, right? I'll be creating a separate video dedicated on this very topic, right? So these tools are what you need that will aid you in this very business. Now, before we move to the next point, right, if you are getting value, please do well to smash the like button. So let's dive into the next point as we wrap up this video. Now, the next point right now, which is the fourth point, is getting a good location, right? Now, this is very important when it comes to making money in this very business. Why? Because location play a very important role when you are starting this business and when you are making money from this business, right? You want to be in a location that you are visible to your customers or to your ID customers, right? You don't want to be in a place that nobody can locate you and when nobody can see you, right? It's just like running an organic ad and running a paid ad on Facebook, right? When you are running organic, you are not visible to many people, but when you are running paid ads, you are visible to more people, right? You want to be in a good location that has a lot of eyeballs, right? You want to be in a place that people can easily locate you, people can see you, that is very visible to a lot of traffic, right? Location play a very important role and is not underemphasized. So let's move down to the next point right now. Now, the next point right now is building your customer base now, right? So starting a business, the foundation is building your customer base because that's the base of your business, right? You want to learn communication skills, marketing skills. Now, these are very important when it comes to phone business, all right? This is applicable to all business, not just phone repair business, right? Because marketing skills is very important because you have to learn how you can communicate with your customer, how you can make them even refer more customers to you, how you can give them good service, and how you can at least relate with your customers, and how you can price your service, right? These are so important when it comes to this very business, right? I won't be talking more on this due to time factor. So let's move down to the last key point right now. The last key point is you just have to start because you don't want to wait. Because many of us, or 99% of people watching this video, are just going to watch this video and continue scrolling on YouTube, right? But the 1% that will just start are those who are going to see results from this very video, right? You want to start from where you are, right, with what you have and where you are right now. You want to start by applying all the 5 key points I have laid down in this video, right, from the point 1 to the point 5. So you want to start preparing your own phones because that's where you start. Your mothers, so there are people around you, you can start with their very device, right? Just start learning the skills, just start your market research, get a location, right, and acquire these skills offline, online, and just start something, right? That's how you see results from this very video, right? Now, this is how you can make money from this business. And this was a business that totally took me off YouTube for 3 months. And this same business made me over 1 million naira within this very short time, right? Now, if you apply all the things I share with you in this video, is going to be helpful to you. So for those who watch this video to the end, if you are interested in learning these very skills, a very good friend of mine who helped me with this very business, who have a well-detailed course on how you can acquire these skills right from scratch and how you can master it, right? If you go to my description right now, the first link you'll be seeing there, just link with me on WhatsApp and I'm going to tell you everything you need on how you can get started with this very business. Now, with that said, I want to appreciate you for staying to this very end of this video. Thank you very much, right? I believe you have liked this video. If you have not, please do that right now and stay subscribed to this very channel because next week I'm going to be dropping another video that is going to help you in your online journey, right? If you are someone who is interested in making money online, business video, tech videos, this is the right channel for you. You are welcome home. Now, with that said, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for the 3K subscribers and thanks for all you do. I want to appreciate you. So I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.